In answer to the question why use an energy broker for your business energy needs, it's not impossible to do it yourself. You can, with a relatively small business, perhaps manage dealing with suppliers. The reality for most businesses is that it is becoming an increasingly arduous process, partially because most of the larger suppliers have probably reduced the level of customer support that they do have because they're under financial pressure from their shareholders, and what that means is that dealing with a supplier is getting more difficult. Now, there are practical issues just in terms of contact, overseas call centre, these kind of issues, but also when it comes to getting pricing, there's very much a sales driven approach from suppliers. You're not necessarily going to be seeing all the options that are available to you as a business, and when you multiply that by the big 6 suppliers and other suppliers that are out there, you can spend a lot of time and resource going round in circles and not necessarily getting the right kind of relationship and the right kind of tariffs for your business. Now, patently, this is our business, this is something we're doing every day, we do it all year round, we have relationships with all the suppliers, we know how the systems work, we have processes and systems in place to ensure that we are, to be frank, we nag the suppliers, we are relentless to ensure that we get everything in place, that we find all the information that's required, mistakes aren't made, documentation is served at the right time. These are all the pitfalls that inadvertently businesses do fall into. We see it, we experience it, and they're very difficult to extract yourselves from. The energy suppliers nowadays are, how shall I put it, less generous when things go wrong. They will make it very difficult for you to resolve these issues. We do it, it takes a long time, but we almost always will resolve those issues. That's what we're about.